Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add SVG animation image in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website and let me log in into my website. Simply we can add /wp-admin to log in into our Divi WordPress website. Then go to plugins, just we can install a plugin. You can search for SVG Sport. So this plugin will allow you add and upload SVG images in your Divi WordPress website. The next plugin is Divi SuperMe Pro that you need to install this plugin. Just you can get from Divi official website. And after that, let me upload that plugin file. So let me go in the plugin section and install this plugin. Make sure that your plugin file is in zip format. And it will take just few seconds for installation process. Okay, now here you can see plugin is installed. Just activate the plugin. And here you can see we got notification to install the light version of SuperMe plugin. Then scroll down and activate SVG Sport. Now let's go back to the pages. Then here you can see home page. Just we can view this page on the front side. And then enable Divi Viewer Builder. You can also enable Divi Viewer Builder from here. You can see edit with Divi. Now let's see. Divi Builder is loading. Now let's scroll down. Here we can add a new section. So let's find below icon, that is plus icon. Just we can add a new regular section. Then let me select 3 columns. And after that, I want to add here SVG image. So search for SVG animations. Then here we can upload image file. And after that, click here, upload file. Then scroll down. Here you can see some settings for the animations. Then design. Here we can select SVG color. Let me select red color. And scroll down. Here you can find out various other settings. For example, you can increase or decrease image width. So let me decrease some width. And after that, click on 3 dots. Then save it. Now let's reload the page. Scroll down and let's see the final result. So guys, here you can see this is the animation. So make sure that you have uploaded resized image so that it will work fine.